Hello guys, this is the current affairs session for 27 October 2019 and today is Deepavali, so happy Deepavali to all of you. Maybe noise will disturb you hearing this session. Obviously we should observe some noise-free Deepavali. Okay, so let's start. First one, Gandhinagar has become Gujarat's first kerosene-free district. Second, Vigilance Awareness Week from October 28 to November 2nd, 2009 will be observed by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. And this year's theme of Vigilance Awareness is Integrity, a Way of Life with the Administration of Integrity Pledge. Third, Ladakh administration is organizing the first ever Ladakh Literature Festival, and this will be a 3-day long literature festival and will be organized from 29th October to 31st October 2019. Fourth, the disabled and people with more than 80 years of age can now cast their vote through postal ballot. Then fifth, India and Ecuador in protocol to start trade negotiations. Sixth, Lucknow-based school begs Guinness World Record title for having 55,547 students. So guys, if you enjoyed this session, do like this video and also subscribe to this channel if you have not already. And one question will be asked at the end of this video to comment your answer. So today's static JK session. The first one is the Basel III framework is designed or based on 3 components and they are known as 3 pillars. The first pillar one is minimum capital standards. Second pillar is supervisory review and pillar 3 is market discipline. Second, the first human-made objects to reach altitudes above 80 kilometers is V2S and this is a rocket. Third, the slogan associated with French Revolution is liberty, equality and fraternity. Do remember this, liberty, equality and fraternity was the slogan associated with the French Revolution. Then whose period was known as the Golden Age of Rome? That was the period of Augustus Caesar. Golden Age of Rome. Then the political party of Hitler is National Socialist Party or Nazi. The Agenda 21 of Rio Summit 1992 is related to sustainable development. The Department of Border Management is a department under Ministry of Home Affairs. Then National Institute of Food Technology, Entrepreneurship and Management, that is NIFTEM, NIFTEM, is located where? Is located at Haryana. Suez Canal joins Mediterranean Sea with Red Sea. Then last GK of today's session is Jharkhand and Chhattisgarh are largest producers of coal in India. Resuming the current affair number 7. To mark the birth anniversary of Ironman Charter Vallabhbhai Patel, National Unity Day will be celebrated on October 31. So October 31 will be celebrated as National Unity Day, and this time Union government will organize Ek Bharat Shrestha Bharat program in 600 districts of the country to celebrate this day. The 29th ministerial meet of Apsc countries was held at Beijing between October 25 to 26, 2019, and the basic countries include Brazil, South Africa, India and China. Brazil, South Africa, India and China. P.S. Sridharan Pillai is new Mizoram governor. So new Mizoram governor is P.S. Sridharan Pillai. And today's last current affair is Gandhi Mandela Award 2019 made an initiative to commemorate all-time world pioneers. So coming to today's question from the last class, today's question is who has or have been named as the ambassadors for Prime Minister Narendra Modi's new initiative called Bharat Ki Lakshmi movement. So option A, P.V. Sindhu, option B, Deepika Padukone, option C, both A and B, and option D, none of these. So guys, comment your answer and we'll meet in the next session that will be on tomorrow. So till then, take care, bye bye.